To replace the battery on your key fob, this works on about 2014 to 2020 vehicles. If you have this key fob, all you're going to do is you're going to push this button to release your key, and then this allows you to grab on the back side of the key. You'll just put your finger in that space, and then you're going to pull forward. That will pop off the back. Once you've done that, you're going to see that there is a flat piece right here. You're simply just going to push on the battery, push it down, and pull back towards that flat edge. So it'll look like this, push down, pull back, and that's going to release your battery. Boom. You can take your new battery, remember, leave the CR2032 side facing up, and you're going to put it back in the same way. You're going to slide it under that flat edge, push down, and then you're going to slide it back under that lip. That will secure it. Take the back, push it into place, it's locked in place, and you're good to go. Remember, it is easier if you pop your key and pull that out. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.